Hi, my name is David Saylor from Mimaki, USA. Let's review the world's most versatile inkjet printer, the Mimaki UCJV330 UV LED printer cutter. In this quick video, we'll explore some features that will improve your offering with better quality, greater efficiency, and most importantly, the widest variety of applications to offer your customers. The benefits of using UV ink include instant drying. UV LED inks are cured immediately without heat or outgassing, providing a finished product right off the printer. Cost efficiency. UV inks are denser and can offer up to 50% cost savings as compared to latex inkjet printing. Durability. UV inks are extremely durable and provide the highest rub resistance among all inkjet technologies. Flexibility. Mimaki LUS 170 and LUS 200 inks can stretch up to 200%, making them ideal for vehicle wraps. Media compatibility. UV ink sits on top of the print media, making them less dependent on surface treatment than latex or eco-solvent inks. The clear or varnish can be printed in either a matte or a gloss finish for image enhancement or protection. One impressive feature of the Mimaki UCJV330 is its ability to print up to 5 layers of ink in one pass. This allows for the creation of two-sided graphics on clear print media without user intervention. In contrast, other inkjet printers typically require multiple passes for multiple layers. When other printers pull back, this can cause misalignment and it takes a lot of time. Additionally, the UCJV330 can produce the ultimate backlit image by printing 3 layers in one pass. Color, then white, and then color again. The results look fantastic whether the lights are on or off. Now let's discuss speed. At a resolution of 600 by 600 dpi in 10-pass mode, the UCJV330 prints at an impressive 194 square feet per hour. After printing, operators can kiss cut along an identified cut line. The cutter can execute either a kiss cut or a perf cut. In the video description, download the Sign and Display application guide for the UCJV330 and see recipes for 21 unique graphics that can be made on this versatile printer. Want to know how to make these graphics? Visit YouTube at PG Sign Video for comprehensive how-tos. Go to Mimaki USA and fill out the Contact Us form to have a Mimaki expert contact you today.